Look at my little buddy. Hey, buddy, you just jumped up here and got on Daddy, didn't you, buddy? Look at Daddy's little buddy. See your little Daddy? You got this little buddy, didn't you, man? Look how cute this boy is. His name Rocko. He's blind. We got him out of a veterinary, local veterinary place where they tied him up in a trash bag and threw him in the dumpster, and we think that's what made him blind. But he can see barely, but not much. He's gonna lose full vision. Look at him holding Daddy. What a beautiful little soul. His name is Rocko.